Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: modem, Ethernet cable, power, and the Google Home app on your phone. Once done, power down the modem, plug the Nest Wi-Fi router into the modem with the Ethernet cable, then power the modem back on. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone so the app detects the router. This is how the app and device pair securely. Follow the app prompts to name the router and create an initial network password to move to the next step. You now add mesh points and fine-tune settings. Position each point where signal needs to reach, placing them on open shelves and avoiding interference. Aim for one router per 2-3 rooms. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, choose Device then New Device, and follow the pairing animation. This securely links each point to your primary router. Make sure firmware updates install automatically, then set a clear SSID and a strong password, and enable the guest network if you want isolated access for visitors. Finish by connecting all devices to the new SSID and running the Google Home Network check to measure speeds and coverage in each room. You can prioritize devices, set parental schedules, and enable WPA2/WPA3 security for best protection. Once satisfied, document the network name and password somewhere safe. If something goes wrong, like a point won't pair, power cycle the modem and router first. If that fails, factory reset the problematic Nest point by holding the reset button for about.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.